Hello everyone, today we are going to calculate the problem number 131 from chapter 16 of RChibbeler 14 edition, static and dynamic. Let's look at this problem. So this problem mentions the swing bridge is closing with a constant rotation of 0.5 radian per second, and this is mentioned here. So meanwhile, a man runs along the roadway in this direction, which is the opposite of y direction that is mentioned here. So it's going to be minus j cap, and we need to determine the velocity and acceleration at the instant t equal to 15 feet. So we'll write down the given facts now. So we will have to compare the velocity of this man with the origin point. So we will write down we can decide that at the origin point the velocity is 0 because it's in this axis. So it's equal to 0. The angular velocity, it is going in anti-clockwise direction, so it is positive value 0.5 k cap radian per second. And for the position vector, it's man relative to O origin point, and it is as I have said before, it is minus j cap 15 j cap feet, and the velocity of this man with respect to origin point, it's 5 minus 5 j cap feet per second. This is it is given here. So we can find the velocity now. Velocity of this man, it's respect to the origin point. Let's so we can insert the values that we already know. K cap minus 15 j cap plus j cap. So the vector value of this man, it's 7.5 I cap minus 5 j cap in feet per second unit, and this is the acceleration. This is the velocity, sorry. So we will have to write down the acceleration equation as well. But before that, we can list out some requirements. So for the velocity, since velocity at O point it's 0, the acceleration it's also 0, and the acceleration with respect to point O is also 0. And we can also say that the angular velocity, it's 0 as well. So we can write down the equation now. It's A naught plus so velocity into velocity omega distance so we can go to the clarification found here. So this is 0 plus and that will be a 0 as well, and then this is going to be 0.5 k cap into 0.5 k cap into minus 115 j cap as well, and 2 into 0.5 k cap into minus 5 j cap, and the last one is 0. So in simplest form, that is going to be result in 0.5 k cap into 7.5 I cap from here, and then 5 I cap. So the vector value of acceleration of this man, it's 5 I cap plus 3.75 j cap feet per second square. I think that this problem is pretty simple. Thank you so much.